Hello everyone. My name is Shashwati, your tarot card reader, your spiritual healer, and life coach. Today, I have brought a very beautiful video on magic money, how you can attract more money into your life. So, first of all, we have to see whether we are ready to attract money or not. So, our subconscious mind plays a very important role in attracting abundance to our life. There a book written by Rhonda Byrne I read a year back, and I got to know how you can attract more money into your life. Everybody wants money, nobody wants to be without money. And money is also essential. So, first of all, we need to understand uh, what is money and what is money energy. ठीक है, so I will be making this video both in English and Hindi so that my viewers who like Hindi language can also understand what actually I want to convey in my video. So you need to understand how you can attract money. So money energy, if you have any kind of negative feelings about money, like in our old when we were child, okay, when we were in our childhood days, or we have heard from many people that zyada paisa aayega, so it is not good. The more money if you have in your life, it's not good for you. So this is a wrong belief system, let me tell you. So money energy never comes with any kind of evil deeds or evil things. So we need to understand, and we should change our subconscious mind. So money energy only comes when we are very, very positive about money. Any frustration, any jealousy, any envious thing, if you are not good, feeling good about money, it won't attract more money. So by the universal law, also it suggests that to attract more money, you should have a gratitude towards money. Since our childhood, lots of things we have purchased with the help of money. So the first thing that makes me think, and also say you guys, that are we grateful about money, what we have received in our past? So the question here is, if you're not grateful since your childhood days, you will never ever attract more money into your life. So it's a magic money that I am telling you. First of all, I also deal with spells and rituals to attract more money. But first of all, you people have to understand the law of our subconscious mind. So the our subconscious mind plays a very drastic role in manifestation of money energy. So we can only attract a good money if we are grateful for. Remember, if we are grateful for anything, we attract money from universe. The universe gives money, gives abundance, if you are grateful for anything what we have received from universe. So think of the increment that you have received in your past, and you were grateful or not at that point of time. If you were grateful in that point of time, you should have really attracted a good amount of money in your next increment. And if you were not grateful at that point of time, just nagging from with your line managers and all, you would not never have attracted that a good amount of money in next year. So there are many examples that I can quote you. So to attract more money, you need to change your subconscious mind, the belief system that you have kept for yourself. I have heard many people saying, I don't have money with me. I am not able to keep money with me. The money is flowing and flowing, flowing and flowing from my life. Money does not belongs to me. ठीक है, I don't have a sufficient balance in my account. So every time giving a negative energy, do you think anything can work if we work with a negative energy? Be it a money energy, be it a relationship, be it anything which you want to attract in your life, you have to be very positive. So if you are not positive, you will not attract abundance. So abundance does not only says that uh, only having good amount of money in our pocket. It also says a good health, a good prosperity, attracting good relationships, attracting many various abundance in our life. So, a quick way how we can change the money energy and attract a good amount of money is that change your thought process about money. Change your subconscious mind, change your belief system, and also be grateful for what you have received till now from money. If you have purchased something, uh, if you have purchased since childhood, you might have purchased many things. You might have money has made you feel rich. Many times money have helped us. So were you thankful of that money at that point of time? Had it been so that we could not have had money that point of time, could not had a lavish life. So to attract good amount of money and to attract a very abundance in our life which is associated with money, you should be very very positive. You should feel grateful for what you have received by money. Think of anything which money has helped you, be it buying a car, be it buying a home, be it giving a beautiful gift to your boyfriend or girlfriend. So, everything required a good amount of money. Were you grateful for at that point of time? If not, then you could have also seen the changes after being ungrateful. Okay, so to know how to attract more money in your life, you have to do certain practices daily. So these practices to be done just before you are falling asleep. So just take out every thought which is coming and coming into our life. Calm yourself, ground yourself, hmm? Center yourself, and say whatever you want to attract in your life. So, the first and foremost positive thought that you will put in your subconscious mind is that I am abundant, I am rich. So, everything what you want about money, every thought process that you want, whatever you want to attract about money, you have to say in present tense. Okay? So center yourself because in our daily lives we our mind is full of cluttered. So many times it happens that we have had very uh, hot discussion during the daytime, or we had very lots of interaction from different kind of people. So centering yourself, calming yourselves is very much necessary before you to start with putting thoughts in your subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind is very very powerful. Whatever is manifested in life is first manifested in subconscious mind. So subconscious mind is linked with direct manifestation. Whatever you are consciously wanting in your life does not get so manifested because our subconscious mind is much more powerful than our conscious mind. Okay, so let me tell you, before I also deal with all kind of spells and rituals that to attract a good money. But before that, I want my viewers to know how to change your subconscious mind. Any kind of negative beliefs if you have in your mind will never ever attract a good amount of money in your life. So clear your thoughts, any kind of negative feeling if you have about any frustration, also anything. Okay, negative feelings means any kind of it can be envious or jealousy from others people promotions. Okay, So, any kind of frustration which is linked with money energy will manifest a negative thing in your life. Okay, so whatever we put in universe, it also comes back to us. Okay, so you won't be able to attract a good amount of money in your life. So you need to change. The first and foremost point you need to change about attracting abundance in your life is changing your belief system about money, because the creator's perspective is that everyone has enough money. There is enough money for everyone. Everyone can attract a good abundant life, okay, which is associated with money. So creator definition is totally different from whatever we think and we have been fed up since childhood. ठीक है, nobody is there who is like desirous, who is very very much uh, wanting to be a beggar. Okay, so there is a subconscious mind which helps a person to beg. Okay, so uh, the second thing which you can change your subconscious mind is that before you fall asleep, you just uh, write 10 points. Okay, so since childhood till today, whatever you have got from money, so only 10 points. It can increase also. It is not like I am saying 10 points so you will write only 10 things, but you have to practice it daily. It's not like just doing once and thinking that everything will get changed. So magic, it is a money magic that I am telling you. So every day before you fall asleep, you just write down 10 points that money has brought in your life, why you were grateful for. I'm grateful for my big home. Okay, for example. Why? Because it makes me feel better. Okay, so it can be anything. Matlab, money has brought something in your life, and why? What is the reason of your happiness associated with that money? I had got a very good increment of say and so percentage. For example, I'm just quoting one example. Okay, it can be something else for you. So write down 10 points. For example, I got this increment, and because of this increment, I was able to purchase a home. Right. So you have to be very, very grateful for whatever the money has brought in your life to attract good money energy. So to start with this, I will also be telling you how you can uh, make make a good relationship in your life. You can attract a good relationship, attract your soulmate. Okay, attract wealth, attract. Uh, you can say abundance in your life. I can give many rituals that I have learned in my 1 year of journey. So stay tuned with me in my Facebook page, Seers of Life. I am also available in YouTube channel by the name of Seers of Life, and Instagram with the name of Seers of Life. And please do share your valuable feedback, that what all topics you all want me to say. I will create my videos and I will share all my videos to you. Okay, thank you, good night.